Alright, now we said we'd take this Honda Transalp into the Singletrack. That's what we're going to do. Now I have decided I'm going to put it on gravel mode. Gravel mode is the mode that you get standard. There are user modes which we've tried to tailor in bits and pieces, and it gets pretty similar to gravel mode. But I'm going to show you how it goes in Singletrack. Now I'm going to avoid some of the nasty rutted out stuff because, yeah, a big adventure bike is not designed for that. So I'm just going to nick straight across here over to the more gentle Singletrack, I think you'd say. And let's have a go. Okay. Oh, geez, that gravel mode's pretty punchy. Oh, yeah, okay. Alright, so, pretty good torque. Get up that hill, no clutch. That was first gear, just kind of revving it. I'm just kind of cruising. This front tyre's got this Michelin Adventure tyre, so it's got a bit more traction than the stock tyre. I'm still in first gear. Okay, let's see how it goes through this little corner here. Pretty well balanced. Oh, I just slipped off the peg. That's those rubber inserts. Whatever you do, take the rubber inserts out if you're going to go onto the Singletrack. Okay, here we go. It's an interesting little rutted out corner we use. Oh, yeah, I can feel the pegs dragging, but they did it and then up and over that. A little bit of clutch to get over that. Hey, jump it. Whoop, boom. Okay, no bottom. I might land at front end, but no bottom out. Okay. Okay, oh, the ABS kicks in. Oh, yeah. Okay, still pretty good. Crawled out of that. I think the torque's okay. You can feel it on and off a bit. Probably like a bit of a smoother bottom end torque and maybe a little bit more torque. I can customize that in the user model too. Oh. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, I overshot that. ABS kicked in, didn't stop me. Okay, I can't work out how to take the ABS on the 2026, 2025 Transalp. I've tried. I'll probably have to go back to Honda and ask them. I've got it on as low as it can go, but it still comes on front and rear. You can see at the speed I can carry through this stuff. That's because this bike is surprisingly agile. Ground clearance is okay. I'm scraping the pegs. You can't see it here, but I am scraping pegs. Surprisingly, well balanced and agile. This bike, you can see I'm just ripping this Singletrack. I'm not really getting my feet caught in too many ruts. I can feel them get stuck in some of the deep ones. Let's have a look and see what happens here. This is a deep rut here. It's all right. You can hear that's me using clutch to get out of that corner. Oh, see that there? Didn't get stuck. And if I go down this hill, that's ABS. I can't work out how to turn it off. Okay, so yes, can it do Singletrack? It can. Is it a handful? Of course, it's not a small enduro bike, but it can do it. It's torquey, so it works. I think maybe a little less clutch would be nice, but it's pretty good. Suspension does the Singletrack pretty good. It's, adventure suspension is pretty good. It's narrow enough between the legs, between the pegs. I'm not getting caught. You can see that stuff's not getting caught. My feet are on the pegs the whole time. Yeah, I don't know what else to say in the Singletrack. It's pretty good. I don't really have any complaints. I can stop it pretty quickly despite the ABS kicking in. It doesn't feel like it wants to tip over. I guess Singletrack, you're looking for balance with an adventure bike, and it's well balanced, and it stops. Even with the ABS on, it stops. A big 1290, 1300, 1200 adventure bikes. So you're getting up this bit, no problem. Just a tiny bit of clutch, and you can jump this bit. Well, still does it all. So yeah, I'm starting to really enjoy this in the Singletrack. Does it do Singletrack? Certainly does. Is it as much a handful as a big bike? Absolutely not. Has Honda nailed the agility and the narrowness and the ease of which you can just smash through all this stuff? Yes. Does the front end push? No. Oh, man. I know no one rides these in Singletrack. This is just to prove a point that, man, it's more agile and narrow. It's got ground clearance. I didn't bottom out. I hit some tree roots there. Didn't bottom it out. If it can do Singletrack, it'll be able to do most adventure kind of stuff.